Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily show photo and info about your contact in Android. So for doing this you just need to go to the phone, and here you need to choose, so just go to the settings, just click here, go to the contacts and just click here, and you will see settings here. Just click on settings, and on the settings you will see display photo and photos and info. So you must turn on here this switch button, and just after do this it will successfully display photo and info. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.